I want to do that one.
Pipiliin mamasing ka.
I choose that one to set my love upon.
Pipiliin ko ini kay higugmaon ko.
I want to choose that one.
Higugmaon ko ini nga siya.
I choose that one to set my love upon. It's something that happens after my night of passion. It's not something that happens after my night of passion.
Diri ni mahitata ko dayon sa usalang ka panahon.
It's something you do out of your heart of love.
Ini mahitata ko ini tungod dira sa imo kasing.
It's a deliberate choice.
Ini gud imo gud gipili.
But in the household of God, you were the deliberate choice of God the Father.
Nga sa panimalay sa Diyos nga
He said, Maria, I want you.
Nasing siya karuya ko ikaw.
Joseph, I want you.
Nasing siya karuya ko ikaw.
Happy, I want you. I choose you.
Uy, ginpiling ko ikaw.
And so adoption is what the Father has given us.
Amin ang sinisering pag-adopt sa.
But also the Father has born us. Adoption, He has born us to God. 1 Peter 1:23
Sa unang Pedro
speaks about we are being born again. 1 Peter 1:23, you are born again by incorruptible seed. When you were born again,
kung ikaw ang pagkatao pag-otro,
Jesus said, except you be born again, you cannot enter the kingdom of God.
Sering si Jesus, kung di ka matao pag-otro, di ka magsulong.
When you were born again, some